welcome back to my channel! I did a clown look a few years ago to go see the first movie of It, not the original, but the remake, the one that they put out a few years ago. I'm excited to see chapter 2. So I wanted to do a clown look today, and I was like, let's do rainbows, let's do gems. So here we are, and I'm in love with it. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you want to know how I got it today, then keep on watching. Alright, so we aren't really going to do much of an eye look, I guess. I'm just going to do the, like, I don't even know what they're called, to be honest with you. I don't know if they have a special term, but, the lines I'm going to do through my eye, both ways. And then I'm going to do a cool nose and a cool mouth. I'm super excited. So I'm just going to map out our look with a white eyeliner pencil. Just going to do a straight line through the brow, through the eye, and then through the eye sideways. Always looking in my farther away mirror to make sure that our lines are even and straight. So I'm going to do this to the other eye. I know it was just really simple lines, but I don't want to film that, so I'm just going to do the other eye really fast. Alright, so here's our nose. So there's what our nose is going to look like, and lips I'm just going to fill in with lipstick later, so I don't think that shape really matters, but we're going to basically do something like that. Just like a nice little smile. Audio Jungle. Oh, this is so cute. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Living with asthma. Alright, so we did the lines. I'm going to make them into triangles now. Alright, now we are going to prime this area with my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. Hopefully it's just going to blend in with this white eye pencil and make a nice light base for our colors. Let's just find out. Now I'm going to blend this in with my M173 brush and just see what happens. This doesn't really want to blend together. So this isn't really working how I planned, but instead of this we are going to just coat the whole thing in our BH Cosmetics white concealer and our M421 brush. Alright, now we are just going to fill this in with all of my different colored Makeup and Murder Poison pigments. So I don't really have a plan for this. I probably should. I think I might do like, I honestly don't know. I might have to like make them all like red starting out and then orange and then yellow coming together to green, but like I also want to do blue and purple in there. I'm not sure, but this one's gonna definitely be red, so maybe I'll just start with that and work my way into an idea. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with some of my red poison pigment and just put this on the top triangle. Now we're going to just do the same thing with orange. Now I'm going to go in with yellow. Now I'm going to go in with green. Now for some purple. Now I'm going to put the pink poison pigment on this little corner. Actually, I'm going to put them on both of these corners. Both of them are going to be pink, and then I'm going to finish off the rainbow on the bottom. Now I'm going to do purple closest to my lower lash line, blending it in with that pink on the outer corners. Now I'm going to continue this down with the blue pigment. And lastly, the yellow. I am super happy with this. It is really messy, but it will be cleaned up later, so I'm super califragilisticexpialidociously proud of this. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, and I will be right back. I look so cool! Oh my god, I'm so excited. This look is amazing. It's not even like done yet, but I'm just so amazed with my talent. Okay, I have a makeup wipe. I'm going to go around all of the points, I guess, and get rid of the excess neon pigment. Then I'm going to do my nose, and that's going to be basically the same thing. I saw somebody on Instagram do a cool nose where they did like, it's kind of like a jawbreaker where they did multiple colors leading up to a little red dot on their nose, and I thought that was really cool. Not sure who the artist is off the top of my head, but here's the picture that I got that kind of inspiration from. Yeah, I have asthma. Can you tell? I feel really cute, but spooky and cool, and yeah, I feel great. So we have cleaned up all these. I really like it. It kind of looks thermal, low-key, but now I'm going to put some of that white concealer on my nose and do a similar kind of color pattern. I think I'm going to start with the, I don't know, I might start out with the middle and branch my way out. I might do switch back and forth. I'm not really sure yet. Don't know if I should do red in the middle or pink. I think the pink is a little bit brighter than the red. I look like a cow or a pig or something. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna start out with purple and just put that around the edges. Now I'm gonna go in with that blue pigment.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
And lastly, some pink. I feel like, ooh, I don't even remember her name. That's how you know you've grown up. But the girl from, what's her name? The show. Oh! But she had a doll, and she did the clock, and it wasn't the Lazy Couch. Was it the Lazy Couch? Is that even a show? I feel like I'm confusing, like, Lazy Town with something. I don't know, but it was, like, that girl. She had bangs, and I think she wore a hat, and she had a doll, and she would always be on a clock. But I feel like that girl right now. Cosplay. Let's clean up this nose. I could be an awesome clown. Like, I could just start laughing about anything. Alright, now we are going to... should we do our mouth or should... Oh, no. I don't even know what to do for our mouth. Like, should we just make it neon pink? Should we do rainbow? Should we do, like, purple? I'm not sure.
I fiddle with these. Green, no. Blue. Blue wouldn't be bad, actually. Let's keep that in mind. But the blue is, like, super dark and weird and annoying, so maybe not blue. Not orange. Or not yellow either. Neon red, Purple? Purple or blue?
Yeah, purple or blues. Purple or blue are the two... Purple and blue... Purple and blue are the two contenders for our lip color today. Might just do both, because, you know, why not? So I'm going to prime our mouth with our BH Cosmetics white concealer. But if I just, like, put it on, like, lipstick? Ooh.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Oh no! No, I look like that clown. Oh jeez.
Audio Jungle.
This is awesome. I'm so freaking proud of this, bro.
Audio Jungle.
I'm so cute. Oh, oh, self-love. I think purple. Yeah, purple's the move.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I love this so much. All right, let's go back in with that makeup wipe. You know the drill. Clean up the edges.
Audio Jungle.
Honestly, I should have primed my skin before I did all of this, but it's fine. We're not going to worry. It's fine. We're not going to worry about that. Instead, we're just going to jump straight into foundation, like usual, going in with my ColourPop No Filter foundation stick. In the places that I can't hit, I'm going to blend in with my Morphe M439 brush.
Audio Jungle.
For the smaller areas, I'm going to use my M173 brush, wherever she is. Here she is. For the even harder to reach places, you guessed it, going to use my M421 brush. I'm just going to skip over this step because it's going to be lengthy and kind of boring. Alright, I finished putting on all the foundation. I set it with some of my translucent powder. Now I'm going to just lightly contour my temples with my Morphe E4 brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. Just a little light contour so we don't look so flat. So I want to add some rhinestones. I got these from the Halloween store. They're all different colors. I might do these just because they fit with the whole rainbow theme. Or I have some bigger ones. I have some like ovals and some stars. So I honestly think that the stars would look best. So we're gonna do those. I'm just going to apply them with a little bit of glitter glue by NYX. And I'm going to put some on the top and on the bottom. And then I think I might either leave these side ones by themselves or I might add some of the smaller colorful ones there. Not sure.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!